Fuck! God damn it! I almost had it too! Hey everyone, welcome back to Slow-Mo Time, and today we have got a water bottle full of, these are like big sixlets. I don't know if you guys remember those candies, but they're gross as shit. And I have it on good authority that these ones are worse because they taste like sweet tarts on the outside. And that just in general pisses us off. So we're gonna see if we can smash the shit out of these stupid candies. See how tasty they are now. It looks like these bitch candies got the best of us. So I guess that's what I get for talking shit. But tune in next time if you want to see me pound it. Welcome. Fuck! God damn it! I almost had it too! Why would I say welcome? God damn! Fucking stupid candy.